Over the past year, global crypto regulations have tightened dramatically. Exchange reviews, account freezes, and withdrawal delays are now more common than ever. Meanwhile, on-chain security risks are rising too. Private key leaks, phishing scams, and breach exploits have caused countless users to lose assets. All of this points to one thing. If all your crypto sits on an exchange, you don't really own it. There's a simple rule everyone in crypto eventually learns. Not your keys, not your coins. You only have true control when you hold your private keys. A hardware wallet isn't some advanced tool. It's a basic foundation for anyone who wants to protect their digital assets. In this video, I walk you through a complete beginner-friendly guide to hardware wallets. How to get a secure, BNB-backed wallet, the SafePal X1, at the lowest cost or even for free. How Bitcoin address formats evolved and which one you should use in 2025. Get saving address strategies for major blockchains. A real hands-on test and review of the SafePal X1. Most well-known hardware wallets, Ledger, Trezor, Keystone, have the same issue. They are expensive, typically $100 to $150. For many people who just want to store coins safely, that price is hard to justify. SafePal is different. It's a hardware wallet brand strategically backed by BNs. That matters because the security standards for the world's largest exchange are built directly into the product. The SafePal X1 stands out for two main reasons. First, security. Top tier without unnecessary complexity. True EAL5 plus secure elements. Private keys never touch the internet, your phone, or Bluetooth. Offline QR-based signing eliminates most attack surfaces. In short, your private key never goes online. Second, affordability. Normal users can actually afford it, while other hardware wallets cost $100 to $150. X1 costs less than half. Yet still includes secure chips, offline signing, and proper device hardening. It's the reason you kept coins on exchanges worse. Hardware wallets are too expensive. The X1 removes that barrier completely. Even better, you can currently get it through two ultra-cheap methods. Method 1. Limited time promo. Open a Fiat24 account through SafePal and get an X1 for free. SafePal and the Swiss licensed Web3 bank Fiat24 are running a joint promotion. You can receive a SafePal X1 for zero cost. Yes, a real hardware wallet. Free. Just pay $5 shipping. Fiat24 is a Swiss licensed Web3 bank. Accounts aren't created with a username or password. They are NFT-based accounts, and all operations are executed directly on Arbitrum. What can it do? Deposits, multi-currency payments, Visa virtual cards, manage fiat and crypto in one unified wallet. In short, it connects traditional banking with on-chain finance. If you need more details, tap the link in the top right. I've made a full review video. You only need two conditions. Be a new SafePal user and open Fiat24 inside the app with 7 days. Enter the partner referral code 34511. I already received my free X1 yesterday. Now, let me show you how to claim yours. Step 1. Download the SafePal app. Go to the App Store. Download SafePal. Soft wallet setup is straightforward, so we'll keep it brief. Step 2. Deposit 110,000 ETH for verification. Open bank, Field 24 registration. You'll need to send 110,000 ETH on Arbitrum for ID verification. This ETH isn't wasted. It becomes your Field 24 wallet's on-chain gas balance. Step 3. Activate Field 24. Enter referral code. After verification, return to the back page. This step is crucial. Without entering the referral code, you cannot claim the free X1. Enter code 34511, then follow the prompts to create your NFT bank account. Complete KYC to activate it. Step 4. Complete KYC. Support ID card or passport. Fill info, upload, face verification. Takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Step 5. Claim your free X1. Once KYC is approved, your account becomes active. Go to bank, tap referral, scroll to claim gift. That's where you redeem your free X1. Enter shipping details. Pay $5 shipping. Delivery takes 3 to 5 days. Important: must claim within 7 days. Must use referral code 34511. Method 2. Channel exclusive coupon, $40 off. If you already opened Field 24 before, you can't create another account, but you can still get $40 off with the exclusive coupon. Add X1 to cart. Fill address. Enter coupon Minimos at SFP for an instant $40 discount. $69.99. Only need $30. Both the referral code and coupon code will be pinned in the comments. For many people, hardware wallets are still unfamiliar. Before using one, you need to understand how Bitcoin address formats evolved, because this directly affects transaction fees and compatibility. A common question: why did my BTC transfer cost over $10? Is the exchange overcharging me? Usually, the answer is simple. You used the wrong address format. Bitcoin address evolution has gone through 4 main stages. Stage 1. Legacy addresses. Start with first. Great compatibility. Very high fees. Not recommended anymore. Stage 2. Segwit. Start with 3. Cheaper than legacy. Good compatibility. Still not ideal. Stage 3. Native Segwit. Bench 32. Start with BC1. Much lower fees. Recommended for most people. Widely supported. Stage 4. Taproot. Bench 32M. Start with BC1Q. Lowest fees. Future-proof. Exchange support now over 80% as of 2025. Want the lowest fees? Use BC1 or BC1Q. Want maximum compatibility? Use BC1. SafePal X1 supports all formats. If your gas fees always feel too high, you are probably using the wrong address type. Here's the simplest, most reliable gas saving strategy. Bitcoin, BTC. Cheapest, Taproot, BC1Q. Smallest signature size, lowest fees. Most compatible, Native Segwit, BC1. 30 to 40% cheaper than legacy and supported almost everywhere. Ethereum and all EVM chains. ETH, BSC, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, Base. Best choice, 0x EOA address. Native format, lowest execution cost. Avoid contract wallets if you want low gas. Stablecoins cross-chain, USDT or USDC. Cheapest forever, TRC20, near zero fees and instant confirmations. Use it for stablecoins only. Layer 2, Base, Optimism, etc. Still 0x EOA. Gas is already extremely cheap. Just note, withdrawing to Ethereum mainnet is costly. Small, frequent transfers. Best, BSC, BEP20 or 0x. Very cheap, very fast. Trade-off, slightly lower decentralization. Cross-chain bridges. Use 0x. Highest compatibility. One sentence, mnemonic. BTC, prefer BC1Q over older formats. ETH and EVM. 0x is the default choice. Stablecoins, TRC20 is the cheapest. Small and frequent transfers. BSC is the most efficient. Remember these 4 lines and you'll cut your fees by at least 50%. Now, let's start SafePal X1 unboxing and function test. Before opening, always check the packaging first. Official anti-tamper seal. Look for broken seal, signs of reselling, damaged or reglued edges. If anything looks suspicious, do not activate or pair. Take photos and contact support. This is step 0. Make sure the device hasn't been tampered with. Inside the box, X1 device, Type-C cable, manual, seed phrase cards. X1 has a lightweight plastic body with physical buttons and a display, different from the camera-based signing of the S1. After powering on for the first time, start by setting your language. Then connect to the SafePal app to activate your X1. Tap the wallet icon at the top of the app. Select Add Wallet, connect hardware wallet, X1. Allow the app to use Bluetooth and search for nearby devices. When the app detects your X1, tap Connect Device. Wait for Bluetooth pairing to complete. Then tap Activate. Your X1 hardware wallet will be successfully activated. Generate new seed phrase. X1 generates a 12 or 24-word seed phrase offline. Rules: write it down by hand. No screenshots, no photos, no cloud backups. If your seed leaks, your funds are gone permanently. Set a 6 to 12 digital passcode. Add X1 to the app. You're ready to use it. Bind to SafePal app. In the app, add hardware wallet. Follow steps to pair. Private keys stay offline. Only encrypted messages are exchanged. Transfer signing test. Always start small. Example, send USDT on Arbitrum. Get your X1 receive address. Send 0.0 USDT from Binance. Gas is only $0.002. Funds arrive instantly. Once confirmed, you can transfer larger amounts safely. Receiving only uses your public key, so the X1 doesn't need to power on. Just tap Receive in the app and copy the address. When sending, you must turn on X1, connect via Bluetooth, confirm on the device. The phone prepares the transaction, but the signature happens offline on the X1. Then it's sent back to the broadcasted, meaning your private key never touches any network. That's the real value of a hardware wallet. If you want to join the promotion, Method A. Register Field 24 inside SafePal. Enter code 34511. Get X1 free. Method B. Use coupon Minimals at SFP. $40 off X1. Both codes are pinned in the comments. Start today and secure your first hardware wallet.